Quetzals, the resplendent and revered birds, hold captivating facts. Did you know that quetzals are considered sacred in Mayan and Aztec cultures? They are known for their striking, iridescent plumage and long-tail feathers. Quetzals primarily feed on fruits and insects, and they play a vital role in seed dispersal in tropical forests. These stunning birds are also notable for their courtship displays, during which males perform aerial acrobatics to attract mates. With their significance in ancient cultures and their beauty, quetzals continue to be cherished as symbols of the lush, biodiverse rainforests they inhabit.